beshiemae, my name is Mara Argente and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, my friend Tammy is here with me because we'll be switching our makeup. As you can see, magkaiba yung skin tone namin. In fact, 6 shades ang difference nila.
I think.
Yes. And in fact, iba rin yung makeup routine namin, iba rin yung makeup styles namin. So, let's see kung ano yung results for today. So, we'll start off with foundation. So, what are you using, Tammy?
Some Sunaway Cooling CC.
What's your shade?
I don't know. It's the lightest.
She white, friends. She white. I think it's 21.
Probably.
So, she's using 21. I'm using the Misha BB Cream in shade 27. So, let's do this. This is yours.
Oh my god, Mar.
Holy shit!
Oh my god, Mar, what is this?
Holy shit!
Oh, yung mga
Puti. Oh my god, ang itim! Ang puti!
It's not showing that much the camera. I think you need more.
Really see, you are smart.
Yeah.
It's like you put your face puro highlight.
Oh yeah.
Bo.
Yeah, it is. Tammy, you're finally tan.
Oh, actually bagay sa kanya.
Finally tan. But I can't tan, like I just burn.
Oh. Pero
No,
bagay
if
sa
you
kanya
wait
yung
2
color.
hours.
Si Mar, ewan ko. Pero bagay kay Tammy, nag-glow yung face niya. Kay Tammy, like it just looks like a glow. Like the pregnancy glow.
She pregnant.
And ikaw naman yung ano.
When you're about to die, and then you're just waiting for all. Okay, guys. So that is the foundation. I'm not sure kung kita siya sa camera, pero girl, I'll be as white as toilet paper right now. Actually, kay Tammy, mukha lang siya nag-base sa sun. Hindi siya ganun makita sa camera, pero umitim talaga siya. So I think it's going pretty well. And now, concealer. Woo! So ako kasi, naubos yung concealer ko right now. So I'm gonna use a lighter shade of foundation. Itong Pro Matte Infallible ng L'Oreal in the shade 105. As my friend Gello at the back is saying I should do this. What are you using?
Hand Skin Blemish Cover in Bright. I think it's the lightest color. Or the second lightest. But I have the lightest then.
Okay, let's do it.
Your makeup is
Mas organized tignan yung kay Tammy.
I feel like Pennywise right now.
Uy, ma-trigger si Tammy. Baka matakot ka kay Mar.
ang puti na ni Marco. Itinan niyo dito. Ang itim na ng mukha mo. You're like golden brown right now. You're like a chicken nugget. I like a chicken. I look weird. I look Japanese. No, you don't. She looks Japanese.
Damn it, I look like a Sunday comb now.
You look like a wax figure. Ano totoo?
Yung mga ano yan, Madame Tussauds.
Okay, friends, so we're done with concealer, and as you can see, I am bright AF. Look at that, I'm glowing, and you became a lot
From golden.
She a chicken nugget now. And now we're gonna do our powder, and actually, pareho kami ng powder, which is the final powder from Nichido in Creamy Glow.
Mine is too dark for me. The lady said it was my color.
It's my color. Okay, let's switch. Actually, let's just use same lang naman. Okay, y'all can talk again.
Yeah.
Will you bake ka? I won't na.
No, I don't bake.
No, babe.
I don't even put makeup regularly. I don't even know how to bake.
Didn't I teach you during exams the concealer?
Wait, bake as in bake food?
No,
How?
no. Bake your
Bake your face. It looks soft, but it's not.
Tammy's is looking more natural than Mars.
Yeah.
Okay. So now that we're done with our base, we're gonna move on to our cheeks and apply blush and contour. So I'm gonna use a palette from Profusion, and you're using
Maybelline Creamy Cinnamon. What's the cinnamon? Yep. And then for contour, Nichido Beauty Cake Choco Browns. I don't think this is for contouring. Are you contouring muna? Yeah.
You know what? I'm just gonna all out blush this.
Kasi geisha.
I see it, girl. Oh my god, cheeks so much.
Rosy cheeks.
Oh my god.
Friendly
Iba naman kinain tapos nag-ano. Ang dami ng blush.
Kasi nga ang putla ko. Kunyari may dugo pa ako sa mukha. Okay, friends. We're done with blush and contour. It's not seen sa camera, pero pak na pak ang aking pisngi ngayon. And Tammy looks like an orange now. So we're gonna move on sa eyebrow.
Okay.
Eyebrow. Yeah. So I don't think naman magkakatalo tayo sa eyebrow kasi parang pareho lang naman.
Yeah.
I'm using Tony Moly and you're using Etude. Etude
Yeah.
ba?
Natanggal ko.
Okay. Tammy, wala na ata.
Personality,
Tammy, wala na ata. What? What? So, wala na yung eyebrow ni Tammy. Guys, wala siya. Okay?
What?
This is where my Balbon jeans come into play. And I have brows. Okay.
Parang mga basic.
It's okay.
This is Tammy's makeup.
Yeah. So I won't be using any brow products na muna. I'll stick with my own hair for now.
So brown.
And now we're done with our face, and the last step is lipstick! And actually, I'm more of a red lipstick girl, pero I brought nude na lang to help you out.
I brought pink.
Okay.
Baby lips. It's not even lipstick.
Or is it pigmented?
Yeah. You look better now. I was about to sneeze.
Oh, yeah, yung mukha mo. Tammy's the winner in this makeup.
Tammy parang galing mga early 2000s.
She has the ano lang. Tammy has
The
the...
fake tan.
Hindi yung ano yan?
Sa mukha.
Galing sa beach glow. The beach glow.
I'm like, like cemetery pale glow.
That's me every day.
And that's what we look like now. So I don't think we'll be doing this video again soon because at first we thought we were gonna do well. I think she did a pretty good job.
I look this way.
It looked darker lang and
It doesn't show up sa camera.
yeah. Well, we'll be back. We'll shoot in another place para makita niyo kung ano talaga yung itsura niya in better lighting. So, we'll be right back.